I have finally let you love me. I ran away, but you pursued me.
Look over me and understand. Let me lace my letters together again. Oh, freestyle's a sport, well I better rock a letter man. Mary holding together my left long span. Best believe I ain't really concerned with none of these veterans that I know I'm better than. So you should slow down and recite my flows for your medicine. Better beware with your words, hesitant, or get put beneath a sediment. Please, because they're legends, they say they never die, but they do, but they never question why. So who is they and who is asking them? Clues the day of tomorrow's passing, man. Listen to the message that I'm really trying to sing. They say just to keep the memory strong.
Make it happen. That's your time. Put your part behind. Follow through.
No more rambambalina.
Super fresh, even though I don't rock no gold or no diamonds. I just get my soul in alignment, one with the timing. Where has your mind been? Probably at home in confinement. Can you find it?
What does it take to be the opposite of self-centered? They see the stakes and then surrender. Just a bunch of pretenders. Nowadays it takes a rest in peace to really be remembered. Return the message to the sender. Remember, I'm a defender of all. Have no fear. If ever you should temper, I'm here. You better stand tall. Never measure a man by his treasures overall. Never let your mind ever venture into the comparison to your contenders. Don't let it be a downfall. Yeah, you better realize you a manifestation of your life's deepest endeavors. Just a giant journey. You can hear me screaming out, landfall. All my men are yelling at me, you the man, dog. All these women asking me, how come you ain't wanna be my man, huh? It's cause I gotta stick to my plan, dog. Turn back to the wall, I fled a can in my hand like a motherfucking vandal. Hey, fat cap and a fat sack on me, that's vandal.
Everything's measured out, even. Try to make some new brackets down there on the lower control arms. Get your ass bird. Fuck that motherfucker. CRX here. My little TIG machine, Pro TIG 205.
Not stopping, can't burst that what's poppin'?
Hey, the universe keeps on going and going. Never stops, never slowing. Hey, always expanding, always growing. Hey, you can catch the vibes, but you can't own it. Better get on it before your time in life is up and over.
Check it out. Shot down to Industrial Metal Supply, picked up some hardware. I got my tabs, I got my heims, I got my inserts and my spacers. I've been making all these tabs by hand. Same with this one here, by hand. They look pretty good, not gonna lie. All with the angle grinder. A lot of hard work. Very time consuming. To speed up the process, I shot down and picked up the hardware.
Cruising, dipping, trying to keep the limit. Always on a mission, so I keep that tunnel vision. I'm just cruising, dipping, trying to keep the limit. The way that I be spitting, I'ma be on in a minute.
What you doing? What you working for? What you doing? What you working for?
Look, bringing colors of diversity together like a cool G sweater. Where's your imagination at? Why you read the book and think the movie's better? Sorry, no ghostwriter, breaking down dividers. I am the artist, so this is my artistry. So for those it's hard to see, this is my start to reach you in another part of your sensories. No longer just visual, my arts crossed over boundaries and evolved into becoming something truly visceral. I'ma dig deep, deliver something mystical, broaden my perceptions and be pivotal. But they be asking me, what you doing? What you working for? What you doing? What you working for?
What you doing? What you working for?
Hey, the universe keeps on going and going.
Left hand goes with the left hand. Right hand goes with the right hand.
Always expanding, always growing. Hey, you can catch the vibes, but you can't own it. Better get on it before your time in life is up and over.